What's up, everyone? Sam here. Really excited about today's wine. It is the Maclaren Wine Company's Lees Sauvignon Blanc from the Dry Creek Valley in Sonoma. So this is actually a really cool wine. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the 2017 vintage before I move on. This is a really cool wine by a really cool producer that specializes in really small production wines and highlighting specific vineyards within Napa Valley and Sonoma. But this is 100% from the Dry Creek Valley from a place called Rogers Vineyard. Really cool stuff. Extremely small production. They only make about 197 cases of this wine in total. I actually tasted a little of this before the video, just a little insight. I was blown away by this wine. I expected a lot of that classic California fruit and things of that nature, but now tasting it and the style that they make this wine, it's a little bit more interesting and complex because the amount of time they lay on the lees. So the lees are the dead yeast cells that they, after they're done fermenting, they lay in the wine and they mix them in, which gives us the underlying minerality that reminds me more similar to things that come from France or in the old world. Sauvignon Blancs from Sancerre, the Touraine, Monitou Salons, things like that, without being overly ripe, like what most California, grapes can get. So let's get into it a little bit more. So right on the nose, immediately I'm getting this kind of minerality thing, but underlining a lot of this lemon lime citrus notes, a lot of that natural peach ringy thing that I get from Sauvignon Blanc, and what I like to call the leesiness, which is kind of this like salty kind of minerality thing that comes through. On the palate, I expected to be a little bit unbalanced coming from Napa Valley, but I think 2017 is a really interesting year for white wines. In the red wine world, we're going to find that there's a lot of green, it's kind of a rainy year, but in the white wine world, there's a ton more balance than expected in the white wines coming from California. A lot of crispness, and I think that just comes from the cooler year and the cool climate that they had in 2017. The wine is super delicious. I mean, the alcohol on it's 12.5, so it's super juicy, in your face, extremely balanced. This is the definition to me of a true Sauvignon Blanc going into the springtime. Enjoy.